You got the tire right here, all right? Each round is 30 seconds, all right? So the first one, the sprawl, pull, sprawl, all right? So right here, boom, I start, boom, boom, quick sprawl, boom, I'm staying nice and low. Circle, boom, right in the center. Hit the sprawl quick. Come back to the other side, pull, and keep doing that. There's a nice, sharp base, like you're in a match. Gotta stay on your toes. Pull, sprawl, pull. All right, that's the first round, all right? You only get 15 seconds of rest. Next one, you switch it up. So here, let me get a better angle for you so you can see it. All right, now this is gonna be the hip out, flip, all right? So we're here, we start at the center. Keep a nice low center of base, boom. One hand stays posted on the tire. Kick out, kick out. Notice that both feet are never on the ground, all right? Once I hit the second one, immediately get low. Flip. All right, then you want to quickly, boom, like you're trying to chase a guy in a match. You want to chase that tire, do the same thing over again. So you're not only getting the hips in, not getting the explosive hip, but now you gotta, quick on the feet. You gotta sprint towards the target.
And guys, there's like endless possibilities for this. What me and Todd are gonna do right now is 30 seconds on, 15 off, 6 rounds total.
All right.
All right, Todd, on the major beep there. That's it, we're 13 left. Big sprawls, flatten out. There it is. 3 seconds. All right, switch it up. That's it. Drive those heels into the ground, those flips. Nice, less than 10 left. You got 5, you get 2 more kicks. 2 more kicks. Get that flip, you got 1 second. All right.